You doing it?
I feel like you should, yeah.
I feel like you should.
To Anywhere. We're sisters from Ireland, Aoife and Meadhbh, who last year quit our corporate careers, packed up and moved to Spain. After making a home there for 5 months, we finally took the plunge and booked a one-way ticket to Bangkok. Since then, we've been making our way across Southeast Asia, documenting our journey with no final destination in mind. We have no idea where this path will take us, but we do know that we will follow it anywhere.
Good morning from Teg Alla Lang Rice Terrace.
You doing it?
I feel like you should, yeah.
I feel like you should. So we're in a proper Bali downpour at the moment, which isn't ideal, but it's fine. We have our rain jackets. So this temple is called the Holy Spring Temple. It's a Hindu temple and it's really popular for both tourists and also for practicing Hindus. So there's areas within this temple that you're not allowed to go to because there is local people praying or people who have travelled to the temple to pray. And there's a lot of rules to follow here, more so than other temples that we've been to, but they provide everything for you that you need to follow the rules. So here you have to wear a sarong regardless, men, women, regardless of what you're wearing, and women with long hair have to have it tied back. But they make it very easy to follow. The sarongs are provided, they help you put them on properly.
Let's go. Make sure you put the yellow on top.
The tree. So vanilla now not season.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh,
First
okay.
they have and this Arabica.
That's what you have for breakfast. Oh yeah, that's nice. It is lovely. Yeah. Yeah. She loves coffee. I don't know how else to describe that one other than it tastes red.
Like a red
It's
next
really
taste pink.
Okay.
It's dinner time. Feed me.
With our fizzy drink, our fizzy cup.